Right, assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to the ICP update. So it's just head and shoulders everywhere. Anytime I look at ICP, it's just that, hey, what are you trying to prove? Okay, everywhere it's head and shoulder. If we start to count off, ICP has a habit to make head and shoulder. I don't know if the market maker, when he sent his resume, he said, hey, I'm very good with left, with head and shoulder. I'm pretty sure he's the one who goes to the gym and does the shoulder day much more better than anyone else. Pretty sure he has nice shoulders out there, if he does go to the gym though. Lol. Now, thing is, on the 1 hour, let's get back to the business and the seriousness of it. So we start off here, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, break down to the technical target. Okay, this one almost looks like it was a head and shoulder here, but not very clear. Let's actually see, where do you have another one? And I'm going to zoom out and out and out like this, and let's check where the head and shoulder happened. So eventually you did have this left shoulder here, head right there, and the right shoulder with the neckline, and then you pop to the downside, you went to the target. And then you had this left shoulder, the head here, the right shoulder with the neckline, and then you pop to the downside. Okay, what else? Here you are. Okay, this mini head and shoulder we talked about before, the technical target is met. So left shoulder, head, right shoulder, I gave you the trade. It actually was a successful one. Congratulations to whoever who had it. And then you have the bigger one, which is this left shoulder, this head here, and eventually this right shoulder you're printing with the neckline there. Eventually you pop, and then you go down, and then the gigantic, the bigger of the biggest of them all is going to be on the 4 hour time frame, and it's going to be left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder, come down, break below, retest, and then you have 6.2 in the future, right? So we're not going to stress the video too much, and I think that's all. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.